Hello. In this video, I'll explain how to edit your Squarespace website template. Within 24 hours after purchasing the website template, you will receive an email from Squarespace. You can also find a screenshot of how this email looks in the PDF guide that you downloaded when purchasing this website template. You should accept the transfer by clicking the Accept Invitation button, log into your account, and you'll see the template on your dashboard. Once you accept the invitation, please notify me, so I can transfer full ownership to you. Today I'll show you how to make changes to this template. Let's begin. Here in the Squarespace editor, it's a what you see is what you get interface. It's a user-friendly interface without complex coding. Here, you'll find a preview of your website with various options to manage it. Here you can find the tab Website with Pages, which lists all the pages on your website. Styles, which gives access to settings for fonts, colors, animations, and much more. Commerce for shop owners. Marketing, settings, help, and so on. Today, I'll cover the basics, changing text, images, graphics, and menus without diving into complex redesigns. To edit the site, click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview. Let's begin with the header. You might want to rename your site first. Hover over the header, click Edit Site Header, then Site Title and Logo. Enter a new site title and upload your logo. Always remember to save your changes. In this template, the header is fixed, remaining visible as you scroll, which is convenient for visitors. However, you can adjust this in the header settings under Fixed Position. Note that the header and footer remain consistent across all pages. Next, let's rename the menu. Save your changes and exit. Go to Website, then Pages to rename, duplicate, or hide pages. The main navigation pages appear in the header menu. If you don't want a page to appear in the menu, create it in the Not Linked section or drag and drop an existing page into this section. For example, this template contains bonus pages such as 404 page and link and bio page. Let's drag them into the Not Linked section. These pages are still published and accessible to users, but they won't appear in the menu. If you want to rename a page, double-click here and start typing. Let's move on. Each page is divided into sections. For example, this section contains a photo, 2 text blocks, and a button. You can reorder sections if you want, by clicking here Move Up or Move Down. To add a new section, click Add Section and choose a standard or blank section. Here's another tip. Don't go overboard with editing because templates are meant to save you time. Also, remember to check the mobile version after making changes to ensure everything looks good. It's best to stick to the basic template, especially if you're new, to avoid too much work. Let's move on. To change text, double-click and type. Here you can also change size, font type, add a link, highlights, and so on. To change a photo, simply click on it, then select Edit and choose Replace. You can upload your media here. Additionally, in the Design tab, you can adjust the shape of the photo. Experiment by clicking elements to explore available options. You can also change the background of each section by adding a background photo instead of a solid color fill. Click Edit Section Background and replace the image. Save changes. For buttons, customize the link destination by clicking Edit, or by choosing this icon. You can link to a page. In this case, when the user clicks the Learn More button, they will be directed to the services page with detailed information about the services offered. Also, you can link to a web address, or upload a file that users can download by clicking the button, such as a PDF of your prices. Now I'll show you how to edit website colors and fonts. Click the brush icon to access site styles. Here you can adjust the colors and fonts for your entire website. In the colors section, there is a palette where you can add up to 5 branding colors. Squarespace automatically generates 10 color themes based on these colors. As you can see, each section of your website utilizes one of these color themes. When you adjust a color in the color palette or color theme, it changes across your entire website. Let's try changing some colors to see how it works. You may notice that the colors in the color palettes also change. Next, let's modify the colors for a specific section. To do this, navigate to Site Styles, Colors and select the color theme applied to the section. From there, you can click on any element and adjust the color within that theme. Once changed, these colors will update throughout the website wherever this theme is used. For example, if I change the heading color of this section to black, it will also change in other sections using the same color theme. Remember, this website template isn't just visually appealing, it's also crafted to meet the highest standards of user experience. Ensure your website serves a clear purpose. Visitors shouldn't be left guessing what to do next. That's why it's crucial to incorporate strategic call-to-action buttons throughout your site. Whether it's requesting a consultation, subscribing, contacting you, or learning more, make it easy for visitors to take action. Let's move on. The next step involves adding contact and subscription forms. Although this website currently lacks a subscription form, I can easily incorporate one to demonstrate its functionality. Having a freebie available for download can entice visitors to provide their names and emails. To add a subscription form, simply click on Add section, then Forms, and select Subscribe for newsletter. You can customize the form by adding a title, description, and enabling the name field if desired. In the Storage tab, you can choose Squarespace Storage or connect to MailChimp or Google Drive. Once your subscription form is set up, head to the Marketing tab and navigate to Email Campaigns. If you choose to use Squarespace, you can set up email campaigns right here. Squarespace offers you email templates as well, so you don't need a third-party email platform if you don't want to. It's all in one, all integrated, that makes it pretty easy to use. Now, let's check the contact forms. Click on the form you wish to modify. Here, you can add or remove fields as necessary. For instance, let's add a phone number field. Next, click on the Storage button to specify the email address where form submissions will be sent. Additionally, you can integrate other services as needed. In the Footer section, you can add your social media links by clicking on the Edit option and connecting your profiles. Additionally, you can also include your social media links in the header. It's important to note that the header and footer remain consistent across all pages. Also, you'll find links to the privacy policy and terms of service here. You can customize them by navigating to the Pages section and selecting Not Linked Pages to edit the text accordingly. This section is designed to showcase your Instagram feed. The images you currently see are placeholders. When you're ready to link your Instagram page to this section, click Add Block, then select Instagram. From there, you can link your account and adjust the number of posts shown. At the end, remember to attach your account link to the button. Let's proceed. Here, you'll find a blog, which is connected automatically. You can access posts that will appear on this page by clicking on it to manage posts. Here, you can add and edit your posts, including pictures and text, and then publish them. You won't need to do anything else, they'll just be organized here. If you create a new post, it will automatically appear. This template doesn't include a shop page, but I'll demonstrate how it works by creating a page for it. Managing the shop is similar to managing the blog. Just click on it, then choose Manage Products, where you can add your products, photos, text, and prices without any design work required. Your products will automatically appear here. You can also customize the color of the checkout page under Websites, then System Pages, and select Checkout. To manage your shop, navigate to Selling, where you can set up payment methods, products, discounts, and more. Finally, after editing all the information, head over to the Marketing section and select SEO Appearance. Here, you'll find an SEO checklist and can set up the title and description of your website properly. I hope this guide has helped you grasp the basics of customizing this template, from simple tasks like editing text and uploading photos to changing colors in the menu. One last reminder, don't forget to check the mobile version after making all your edits. This template already features a mobile-optimized version. However, if you've made any modifications to the template, click on this mobile phone icon to review the mobile design and ensure everything is correctly positioned and functioning. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can connect your domain, set up payment methods for your shop, and more. You can find all this information in the Squarespace Help Center or in the PDF guide you downloaded after purchasing the template. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're excited to start building your new website. Enjoy!